Heywe'retheheys.
Today we're in
Hollywood Studios, Star Wars World.
the 2. We're gonna head straight to
Smuggler's Run?
Smuggler's Run, and then we did get passes for Rise of the Resistance later. So, yay! So Jane and I are waiting for Dada and Grandma because we are doing rider swap again. It's so easy again. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the 2. If you've never been here, it's incredible. If you're a Star Wars fan at all, new or old. Are you saying hi? It's incredible. It's the sound effects, you can probably hear some of it behind me or around me. It's amazing. Okay, here is a view. You can see the Millennium Falcon right there. Amazing. Yeah, Jenny. You can even see one of the cockpits up there. And like through here, there's so many details. Can you see that fan moving in there? I mean, just the detail work in here is wow. Wow. If you are a Star Wars fan, you have to make it here. It has to be on your bucket list because it's truly amazing. We are at Docking Bay 7. We have our little treats. I got the pork ribs with mac and cheese and broccoli. Got the same thing, but with the blueberry muffin thing and the slaw. And Andy went and got the Ronto wrap over at the other, what is that?
Ronto Roasters.
Ronto Roasters, yeah. With barbecue sauce, because that's his fave. So, give you a little show real quick.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause.
Here are our next snacks. We're doing the Wookiee cookie, which is this one over here. It's like Chewbacca. And then we're doing the carrot cake sandwich. And it has carrot cake and cream cheese fillings.
Here goes. I've been waiting for this whole trip.
This is the Wookiee cookie.
It's delicious.
Well, tell us about
It
it.
is a little sweet, but the cookies are really good. And then it's just like
Icing?
Icing in the middle. And then chocolate bar is good too.
I think it's good, but I could actually just eat the cookies.
Yeah.
It's like pure frosting in the center. If you love frosting, go for it, but I don't really like frosting. I'm the type of person that will take it off the top of their cupcake, so. It's so soft though, like, it's like smushy. It's so good.
Located throughout the park.
What do you think?
The cake part is really good. The cream cheese frosting, it's like anything at Disney has to have like 20 layers of frosting on it. And that's kind of the situation. And it also has raisins in it, which
Boo.
I know.
Boo raisins.
I know. But some people love that. So if you like raisins and you like a lot of frosting, this is for you. I'm just gonna eat the cake part. Woody's lunchbox, and we're just having a little dinner. We're having, Andy, you want to show it? The brisket
sandwich?
Yeah.
With tots.
potato barrels, as they call them.
Potato barrels.
What do you think?
I think they're both delicious.
I think it's pretty good. I don't think it's that good. But it does have like simpler flavors. And my mom is having the regular grilled cheese with the tomato soup. It's pretty good. They're like on Texas. Is it really good? They're on like Texas toast, like garlic bread almost. Not Texas toast, but garlic bread. Very good. The lemonade is really good. Oh, and I got a little treat too. I got the fun little Pop-Tart, the Pixar Pop-Tart. It's lemon and blueberry. I'll try it. I only got bread.
Yeah, get some filling.
I know. It's good, but to be honest, I'd rather have a regular Pop-Tart. Okay, I changed my assessment earlier. Andy just tried to get the Pixar ball off of the thing and it just exploded. It's really good. The crust is dry on the edges, just like a normal Pop-Tart, but the interior of it is good.
Jane, are you ready for Muppet Vision? All right.
Today we are at the Contemporary and we're doing a surprise extra day to
Magic Kingdom.
Ah! We're gonna show you our walk to Magic Kingdom because we're like, we can't pass up a chance to just be able to walk up to the castle. So we'll take you. See the castle to the right.
Cool.
Hello.
Tallest princess with her pink top. She looks so adorable.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Morning.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Thank you. Okay, we're here. That's not bad
Yay.
at all.
That's not a bad walk at all, is right. Hi. Thank you. Thank you.
Awesome. Have a good time, little princess.
Say thank you. Look. Say hi. Look. Hi, Rabbit. Eeyore. Was that so fun? That was quite the way to be greeted.
That was fun.
Walk in and there's a cavalcade happening right away. Oh, so pretty. Look at all those people crunched together and then we're back here and we're all fine. Okay, what are our goals today? I think it's just to like take it all in,
Yep.
relax, have some snacks. Rides aren't at the top of our list because that was last time.
Whatever's short and
Whatever's short,
convenient.
late, and convenient. We want to just take it in as much as we can before I have to leave tomorrow. We're also going to show you our room when we check in at the Contemporary too. We had our picture taken kind of like this couple over here. Right in front of the castle to announce our pregnancy, yeah.
And now we're back with the
Jane.
baby.
Yeah, now we're back and we actually took a picture that I think turned out really cute and we'll put them in the video so then you can see our before and after. It's wild. gonna see? Are we gonna see the princesses? Say hi, Tiana!
Bundle. Mary Poppins asked if you had a nanny, and I think we'll take her up on that. What do you think?
Yeah.
Today is like the day of cavalcades for some reason, right?
Yeah,
We've gotten to see three or four. We love the princesses. That was so fun. They all loved Jane and her princess outfit, so that was really, really fun today. There we go.
All right, Jeannie, what do you think?
Oh, look, the camel's spinning. Okay, now we're about to get on Haunted Mansion. Spooky. What did you think?
Oh, so scary.
Jane was not phased.
No.
This is what she did the whole time. Choo choo
Chew
choo.
on my fingers.
It's Mom's favorite ride though. I love that ride.
Heading into Tomorrowland for lunch.
What are you eating?
Pulled pork sandwich from the lunching pad.
Yum. It's actually really good.
Yeah, a lot of
gives
meat
me,
on it.
Yeah, it kind of gives me school lunch vibes, but I'm into it.
Comes with a side. School lunch vibes.
Alright, next we're at Cosmic Ray's and we are having the spicy chicken sandwich with fries and the Cheshire cattail.
That's so good.
Right?
Right. It's like a croissant or puff pastry and like chocolate in the middle, but the chocolate kind of has like a weird consistency. Do you think the same thing?
Yeah.
But it tastes good. It's chocolate.
It's really
No
good.
matter what consistency, it's good.
What do
Also,
you-
my sandwich was really good.
Really good.
Yeah, if you like spicy, if you like chicken, if you like pickles, you'll love it. It's really good. Their fries are good too.
What do you think, Jane? Sleeping. Okay, Jane.
Are you ready to give us a review of your applesauce, Jane?
Ready?
Okay.
Look at this.
She's like, I'm not sure. Oh.
Is that good or what? Try again?
Oh, yum, yum, yum. Jane says 10 out of 10.
It got a little busy for our liking for the park, so we decided that we're just gonna head back to the Contemporary and check into our room. So we'll show you guys that, and then hang out there, maybe have some dinner later, even though we just hit lunch. But what else is vacation in Disney for if not for fun food?
Yeah.
So
When we go home, we have to eat salad, so.
blah, 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 blah. Let's to our room. Whoa! Look at the monorail. This is so cool. Wow, look how nice this is. Okay. First, right to your left, a little closet, a little Keurig. Ooh, I love that.
They even have decaf for me. People, weirdos like me who need decaf. Another closet. Let me show you the bedroom or the bathroom over here. Oh, it's so nice in here. Ooh, I love when a mirror has a light because that means it's way easier to do your makeup. It's so nice in here, you guys. The finishes are really nice. And these are about to be renovated again, which is just surprising because they look like they're in pretty good condition still. So, but whatever, we'll take it, right? Oh my goodness. So much roomier than the Swan and Dolphin, but also probably double the price a night. So there you go. They do have their enhanced cleaning information here. We could probably take off our masks now that we're in here. The huge TV too, which is kind of cool. Here we are, and look, we're going out onto the balcony. Oh my gosh. And we got theme park view.
What a great view.
Holy cow, this is so cool. And like, of course, it doesn't even do it justice on the camera. You do like it, Jane? What do you think, honey? Do you love it? Jane, are you telling us about the hotel? Tell us all about it.
Well,
See, we're going to the pool. She has her new sun hat on. Boop. Another benefit of being on the park view side is you have a view of the sunset. It's so pretty. It's not all the way down yet, obviously, but wow. So pretty. We're back. Look at all these balloons. Look. Oh, I love them all. While everyone's leaving, we're coming in. That's the way to do it, y'all. Take a break, go to the pool, come back. We're about to get on Winnie the Pooh. This is the way to go. If you don't have kids who need to go to bed right away, her bedtime is like 8:30 to 9. So we were like, let's come back. The park closes at 8, so we're just gonna stay here probably till park close. And this is when the rides are at the lowest wait for like the kid rides at least. So if you're into coming to Fantasyland, this is the time to do it.
Oh dear, anyone country rule?
Y'all, we didn't understand why people spend so much money to stay at hotels like the Contemporary or the Floridian, and now we're like,
Now we get it.
oh no, we get it.
It's great.
Are we gonna have to do this again? It's so great. Even with the baby, you can just like go back and forth. It's so nice.
So nice.
And it was easy, and the walk is so beautiful. So what did we do while we were here? We only showed you Winnie the Pooh, I think, and that's about
Mickey's
it.
PhilharMagic.
But we did Mickey's PhilharMagic.
It's great. Love that.
Yeah, and then we walked around for a little bit and got some popcorn because Disney popcorn.
Yummo.
And we're lactose intolerant, so it doesn't have dairy. So hey, bonus.
Bonus.
But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head out and go home and eat some food in our room and eat some desserts. Bye.
Bye.